Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to change settings for custom application on Logitech MX Anywhere free. Let's begin! It is very easy task. All you have to do is just go into the Logitech Options application, and right here in the top right corner we have all applications, meaning that if you would change some buttons right here, they would apply to all applications. We can click it, and now we can go and hit Add Application. We have a list of every single application on our device. In order to showcase that it will work indeed, I will go and, for example, go to Paint. And now we can, for example, set some custom thing to middle mouse button only for the Paint. So, for example, let me go to the screenshot tool. So now if we would go, and it saves automatically. So now if you would go and search for the Paint, just right here, we can press our middle button, and it should open screenshot tool if you would have one installed. I believe that we don't really have one. But as you can see, it did change to the view. Oh, it did work. It is working. So as you can see, we can now just do our screenshot using only middle button, and this shortcut won't really work if we are, for example, inside Google. As you can see, it does nothing. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.